Hi, and welcome to the Gaggia Platinum Swing Up. Now, I don't know about you, but I am constantly busy and always looking for a way to make a great cappuccino or a latte first thing in the morning. How about you, Todd?
Sure. I'm always busy doing lots of things. I'm not nearly on as much caffeine as you all the time, but I enjoy it.
I may use the machine a little bit more than your average person. But what's great about the Gaggia Swing Up is the fact that it is filled with programmability and automatic features that'll make your life easier without the mess. And one of the things that's great about it is the actual housing and look of the machine. The exterior is an ABS plastic, and on the front is a sleek stainless steel plate, which looks great in any kitchen.
And what I like about it is the guts. It's the part that makes the great espresso, because these do make a fantastic espresso. This here is a stainless steel line boiler. Very powerful, heats up very quickly to brew temperature and to steam temperature. Now I want to show you inside the machine. First I want to show you the heart of the machine. That's the brew group. It's a mechanical device. The ground coffee goes into the top here, and then it tamps it, brews it, and then spits the used coffee out into the ground's coffee container, which is this here. This is where all the used coffee goes after it's done brewing. And then you always get a little bit of water into the drip tray here.
On the other side of the machine is your water reservoir, and it's very easy to pull out and bring over to your water resource and fill up. Now inside you will see that it comes with an Aqua Prima filter. Now this is a small filter that you'll need to change out approximately every 3 months, or you can program into your machine and it'll tell you when it's time to change it out. Your water reservoir will hold 57 ounces of water. Now on the top of the machine, you're going to find your bean hopper. Now this has a fantastic seal on here, and what this does is keeps your 8.8 ounces of beans very fresh. Now your machine is going to come with an adjuster tool. Inside your grinder, you're going to find that you have 3 different grinder settings that you're able to manipulate with this tool.
Now also up on top of the machine, you'll notice this right here. This is called the bypass doser. If you don't want to use the beans in the hopper, you can put a scoop of pre-ground in. For example, if you have regular beans in the hopper, but you want to use a decaf, you can put a scoop of decaf in there and brew that.
Now on the top of the machine, it has an electric cup warmer. So you can place your cups and preheat them prior to brewing, which is great for temperature stability.
But if you don't want to use the cup warmer, say you're only going to use the machine in the morning, you can go into the programming mode and you can turn off the cup warmer. Let me turn the machine to the side so we can give a view here. I want to show you the frothing options. We have a 3-position knob here. This controls either the froth or hot water coming out of the wand or the frothing in the milk island. If you turn it forward, you'll get steam coming out of the steam wand. If you turn it to the back, it'll send steam into the milk island and froth your milk all by itself. It doesn't actually suck any of the milk into the machine, so all your milk is kept out here. Makes maintenance much easier. Now you notice the steam wand is very adjustable. You can get any direction on it. You can fit pitchers underneath it very easily. Okay, on the front of the machine, let's talk about the controls. We have 4 buttons on the front of the machine. This one here puts you to the program mode. This one down here will adjust the amount of coffee that it'll grind for each shot. So you can have a weak, medium, and strong coffee. This one here will put you in the steam mode. This one here will put you in the hot water mode in case you want to dispense hot water out of the wand. The center button here is your coffee button. You push it once for a single shot, twice for a double shot. This is called the click wheel here. And with this here, you control what size coffee you're going to brew. You can have a small espresso, a coffee, or a long coffee, and it will also put you into the pre-ground mode for using the bypass doser up top. Now Tracy said that this machine is packed with programmable features, and one of my favorites, because I'm a guy, is the electric drip tray. It actually has a motor on it that adjusts it up and down. Use these little buttons here, that'll take it up, and that one will take it down. Now the drip tray is removable. It has a stainless steel drip grid on it. When this is in its down position, look at the height you have here for a to-go cup. You need something large you want to take with you. And when you want to do a short espresso, just raise it up, and that way the coffee doesn't have to drop a long way and it doesn't break up the crema.
Well, I think it's been about 20 minutes since I've had some. You're going to make me a cappuccino or a latte?
I'll make you 2. Make you one with the steam wand and one with the milk island. First we'll go with one from the steam wand. I'm not going to use the pitcher. I'd rather use the cup so we can see it better. Now you notice how the milk's starting to expand. It's injecting air into it so it creates a nice froth. You don't really have to work hard at it. Now we'll move it underneath the spouts and we'll brew an espresso directly into it. As it's brewing, you can see the separation between the steamed milk and the froth milk. The froth milk is on top. You can see the layer of espresso. That looks fantastic. Now we're going to froth with the milk island. First, we'll pour the milk, then we'll place the milk island onto the base. You notice when we do, the light turns green. That shows that it's ready to go. You can see the milk gets recirculated inside the pitcher. You can see the milk starting to expand. You can already start to see the separation between the froth milk and the steamed milk. And we'll pull off the milk island. Now I like to stir it up to mix the milk together. Makes it really nice and creamy. Now I'll brew a shot into it and you can see what that looks like. Okay, now look at the separation there. See the froth milk on top, the steamed milk on the bottom, and that layer of espresso right in the middle. That's a nice dark espresso. That's the way it should be.
Fantastic.
See, I'm good for something.
Absolutely. So if you're looking for a great machine to make cappuccinos, lattes, Americanos, and espresso, take a good look at the Gaggia Platinum Swing Up. It is packed full of features, and it has two ways to froth. It has the milk island, and it has a frothing wand. So you can make these kind of drinks every morning at your own home.